Hi, I'm Vicky. I work at the studio in Wickham, at Wickham Pilates Studio, and I'm going to show you a little bit about trigger point release using a tennis ball and a long sock. So really simple self-massage technique. You need to put your tennis ball down into the foot of the sock, right to the end, and it becomes a brilliant tool to work on some trigger points, painful areas. So the sock allows you to just use the ball, and if it drops to the floor, of course you don't have to keep picking it up. So let's just look at the shoulder girdle. So that's a scapula, collarbone, head of humerus, and this area can become incredibly sore for people, particularly between the shoulder blades. If you put the tennis ball over your shoulder, holding the sock, we're just getting that angle onto the wall, and just lean and just start to explore a little bit around the scapula, the flat shoulder blade, and you'll find lots of areas there that potentially are really sore. You can go right through the middle between the shoulder blade and the spine. When you find a trigger point, it will be like a focal point of pain, and get the feeling of about a 7 or 8 out of 10 if you press into that area, and you're just going to hold it there then, and very patiently just breathe nicely and nice and deeply and relax, and that pain should just start to ease away until you get down to a 0 out of 10. So don't come off the trigger point until you feel absolutely that the pain has gone and you can just feel the pressure of the tennis ball. If the pain increases, come off it. You're probably on an area that is going to get a little bit angry and is a bit inflamed. So you are looking for that release of pain, and then you can go and find another one. Typically at the corner of the shoulder blade, there is often trigger points there. It's a really key insertion point for a lot of muscles on the corner of the shoulder blade. Once again, holding for 2 minutes, 90 seconds, 2 minutes, and you should feel it again, the pain easing away. So working through that area and using the wall and the tennis ball to find those points. The more you do this, the more you get better at doing it. You find those areas which are good for you. So you can go right round to the head of the humerus. You can find trigger points in your deltoids, in around the joint area. There's another one there for me. I'm just holding it gently and just letting that release off. Okay, hope you find this useful. Get your tennis ball and your sock out. Can't do any damage here. You're just giving yourself a little self massage to help ease any painful areas.